Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup in Light. And as always, we're going to put that all over the eyelid. Again, if you don't have oily eyes, then you can definitely skip this part because it's not necessary for you. Okay, and now I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow base combo, which is the Motives eyeshadow base, along with the LA Girl ProConceal in Light Ivory. And then we're going to set that with the powder again, just to lock it in place, and I don't have to worry about any oil trying to poke throughout the day. Alright guys, so I did a poll on my Instagram. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can see the looks I post every day for my work look. But I did post a poll on what look I should do today. So it was either a simple everyday look or for, a full-on glam. So full-on glam won. So I forgot I had this palette, so I found it wedged in between my seat and my console in my car. This is part of the Bad Habit Beauty collection, and this is Afterglow. And so I used this yesterday. I'm gonna use it today as well. And we're first gonna start off with this, the shade right here, which is called Dazzle, and we're gonna add that into the crease area. Alright, so going to that same palette, we're going to use the color Beam. And we're just going to go right below that yellow mustard color we just added. Alright, for our next eyeshadow, we're going to go in with, now that I know the real names of these single eyeshadows, we're going to go the Motives Deep End. Remember this one, I know the color, but this is Deep End. That's Oasis. We're going to use Deep End. I got it right, finally. I told you I'd figure it out. Okay, so we're going to add that to the outer part of the eye. Okay, and to just deepen up that purple some more, we're going to go in with the shade, also from Motives, in Vino. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and cut the crease. I lost some of that purple on there, the deep end, so I'm going to cut the crease, and then I'm going to reapply that purple into the crease area. Okay, and then I use my finger to kind of blend out the concealer, so instead of just leaving it just like as applied, just to kind of, scrape off any excess to prevent, any creasing later on through the day. So now we're going to go back in with Deep End, and we're going to apply that to the outer part of the place we just cut our crease at. All right, now we're going to go in with this green color right here, which is called Combat. And we're going to pack that right next to that purple. Okay, we're going to go back into the Afterglow palette and use that first shade we used, which was Dazzle, and we're going to place that on the inner portion of the eyelid. Okay, so we're going to leave the eyes alone for right now. I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation off camera because I've recorded enough and nothing's changed. So let me go do that. Also, I'm going to do my eyebrows and then I will come back on camera. So see you in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm back. So I have foundation on, I have my powder on, I'm baking. I did my eyebrows, and so now let's go ahead and finish up the eyes while, you know, everything's baking. Okay, for the eyes, we're going to use this Eye Bling liquid eyeliner. This is from Ruby Kisses, and we're going to use this right on the beginning of our crease. And this is like a green colored, I don't even know what color it's in because it's not on here, but it's a green eyeliner. Let me shake it up. I'm going to go ahead and apply my eyeliner. I'm going to use the NYX Epic ink liner. Okay, I'm going to use a third eyeliner, and this is also by NYX. It's the Vivid Brights, and this is in the color Vivid Blossom. So it's going to be kind of a lilac purple color. I've used this liner before in my look, so it's nothing new to the channel. The brush is kind of messed up, so we'll see how nice it is to me right now. I don't know if I mentioned this before, but with those NYX liners, they're really cool. The only thing about them is don't use a lot, because if you use a lot, it's going to start cracking once it dries. So just use a very thin layer to, you know, during your application. So now that we've been baking for a while, I'm going to go ahead and dust all this off. So I'm going to go underneath my eye with the Motives eyeshadow base. And you don't have to do this. I just like to have that extra security while I'm at work. If I was just running errands, I probably wouldn't care, but... So we're going to just use the same colors we used before. We're going to go in with this color here and this one here. And I might go in with the green, I don't know, but we're going to start off with the yellow. Let's see if that green will show up with those two colors. Okay, and now we're going to go into my City Color highlight palette, you know, the one that's broken. I'm going to go in with Interstellar. I really need to fix this, you know, get this pink out of here. I keep saying that, but I don't do it. So I'm going to use Interstellar and pack that onto the inner parts of the inner corner, inner part of the eyelid there. just to add some highlight. And for my blush today, I'm going to use, I'm going to go back into the Glow palette and use this color here, which is called Illuminate. I'm just going to use that as the blush for today. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes really quick offline, off camera. I'm going to be using these right here. These are called Retractable 5D mink lashes. Yeah, mink for $3.99. I got these from the beauty supply store. This is a new line that the beauty supply store by my house carried. So I want to try them out, and I do like them. They're very dramatic lashes. And they have some simple ones, but not like a whole lot at where I was at. But you know me, I like the dramatic. Did I have to cut these? No, I did not have to cut these. Okay, there was another pair that I got that I had to cut, but I don't believe it was these right here. So I'm going to go ahead and apply my lash glue and then pop my lashes on, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, so yeah, my face is wet, so I sprayed my the Evian facial spray. Now I'm going to spray the Rimmel Stay Matte setting spray, and I have my lashes on. Okay, and while that's all drying and all the, just helping it along, I'm going to go back in with that same highlight palette that I broke. And I'm going to use that Interstellar color, same we used on the inner corners of the eye, and we're going to use that as our highlight for today as well. I'm going to take that same highlight and use it as our brow bone highlight. All right, guys, now we're ready for the lips. So I went to, got powder everywhere. So I went to my grocery store and I got me a new liner from NYX in the color Jewel. And it's kind of like I guess like a mauve-y color. I thought it would be a little darker, but it's not. It's a light color. And I'm going to go with Makeup for Melanin. I'm trying not to do it. Why do I get so tongue tied saying that? Makeup for Melanin Girls. They're liquid lipstick in Rust, which is like an orange shade. I don't know why I can't. I don't know. I don't know. Alright guys, and this is the completed look right here. So let me know what y'all think about what we created today. I think it came out beautifully. I really like this. I don't think it was too dramatic, just full on glam, just not really simple with the cut creases. I do love cut creases, especially on my eye type, which is a hooded eye. And it seems to be getting worse the older I get. So yeah, cut creases work really well, and you can do simple cut creases. They don't have to be, you know, full on like this, but I do feel like cut creases do help really well with hooded eyes or monolid eyes. So, all right, guys, if there's any looks you'd like to see in the future, especially with the holidays coming up, I think this is a great holiday look for, you know, Thanksgiving. I mean, we have all the fall colors going on here. So, but if there's anything specific or a certain color combo or anything like that, just let me know. I think what I'm going to do is, you know, I told you about the poll. I think I'm going to hop on Instagram tomorrow in the morning and do like a little mini tutorial on there. Not go live, but just do a tutorial you can go through, kind of like a Snapchat tutorial. I'll do a IG tutorial, and it'll be something simple for tomorrow. I'm going to try to keep it simple. I don't know, you know. I think glitter can be used for simple looks too. So you can have a simple, because the other day I posted a simple look with glitter. I felt like 2 eyeshadows, slapped with some glitter. That was it. So if you want to see that look, again, go to my Instagram at getmade_. Alright guys, so I gotta get to work and I need to go ahead and record a tutorial for my hair because I have a new unit to go with this. So thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this. Don't forget you're awesome. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.